مشاهدينا الكرام، أهلا وسهلا فيكم بحلقة جديدة وحلقة مميزة من برنامجكم الوطني رواد الأعمال. مثل ما عودناكم في كل حلقة أنا استضيف رجلا مميز، ومن زاوية رجال الأعمال الأكثر تميزا رحبوا معي بالسبيشال بزنس مان مستر رميش، السي اي او لشركة Indian Royals Traders LLC. بداية good afternoon boss.
Good afternoon.
Yes, how are you Mr.?
I'm good. How are you?
Yes, alhamdulillah, good. So Mr. Ramesh, in the first, I'm really so proud because I'm here sitting with you right now. I would like to meet you and let the viewers as well know about your professional life when you came here to UAE, how you set up or started your own business.
I came here in 1973.
Wow.
Yeah, and actually my father started business here in 1958 and with different name, and they started this Indian Royal Traders. My elder brothers started in 1963, and but I joined them in 1973. Since then, at that time, we had retail business, and I was then after that we started wholesale also.
Since that time?
Since that time, yes,
Okay.
we started wholesale, and with the time, my elder brothers one by one they got separated and they opened their own companies in Dubai only. And finally I took over this business with wholesale with Indian Royal Traders.
Yes,
Yeah.
and alhamdulillah, now the work is good, everything is good, alhamdulillah.
Yes, at present it is
It's coming
good.
to be grown again.
Yes, because since 1973 we have seen many ups and downs.
Yes.
Yeah, but normally the business is good, and we are very happy about that, and we have increased also business since long.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
So, Mr. Ramesh, now I just want to know from your side about the services, what you provide to UAE market, about what your wholesale, and from where you export and import. Can you tell us about the brand, about the textile, what are you using and how you sell?
Well, we are in textile fabric business since then, and we import. Normally we used to import from Japan. Then we started from Thailand, India, Indonesia. So we import, at present we import from Thailand, Indonesia and India and China as well.
And where do you sell it? To which part you are selling?
Well, Dubai is a very big market. Actually, customers come from all over the world, mostly from African countries and Russia. But our business is especially for GCC countries.
Only GCC countries.
GCC countries and India and some African countries.
Yes, very good.
So we export to them in Bahrain, Oman.
Yes, all of the countries is around.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Very good. So, Mr. Ramesh, there is important questions about your experience here in Dubai. You know that there is a lot of companies here in UAE about this field of business. So, how you make yourself special and different than others? What's the thing? What's the reason make you success those time?
yes, in textile there are actually many lines, different lines. Some do in very fashionable items, and some are doing in thobe items, and some in suitings and shirtings. But our company, we are most focused on thobe items and uniform items. So we supply to tailors and manufacturers here
And
in
you're specialized
UAE.
of this. You're specialized.
Yes.
And you're not for everything. Specialized for
Specialized in uniform items and thobe items, and ladies cotton printed dress items also.
Bravo.
Yeah, so our specialty, we are more concentrating on uniform items
Yes,
presently and thobe items.
Top
Yeah.
items, yes. We hope from ABC Arabia TV for you, Mr. Ramesh, to grow more and more and to be in a high level, because really you deserve to be success in your life and in your field. Now, as an experienced person and as a businessman, where you can find yourself after 2 years from now? What's your plan in the future?
Well, Dubai is my home away from home. So I have spent my 70% of my life here. So
Yes.
I have no plans of moving somewhere else.
Just here.
Just here in Dubai only, and continue this business because yeah,
All of the best.
because
for
I am here since last 48 years, and my family, my
Son and daughter,
relations,
everything.
my relatives, and all are mostly here.
Everyone is
Yeah.
Yes.
So
all of
I
the
don't
best.
have any plan of moving somewhere else, but continue here only.
Inshallah, alhamdulillah, all of the best for you, Mister. Now, you said a while ago, you mentioned that 48 years that you are living here in this country.
Yes.
It means you know that UAE is number one in the world, had the safety, security, had the happiness investment, yes. So we have to thank the leadership and the president of UAE from Indian Royal Traders and from Mr. Ramesh as a CEO of the company. We'll start with you, some message to our leadership. تفضل.
Well, as I said, we are very happy to live here in Dubai. It is very safe for our children also, and my children born and brought up here, and they are educated and they are working now. And yeah, and
We will thank
we find everything good here, and we
opportunity, facilities.
thank His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin
course.
Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President of UAE and ruler of Dubai, and his vision, and we appreciate.
Yes.
Yes.
And about the expo also. It's world challenge.
Expo is excellent. I
Yes.
think it is a very big project they have taken, and I think most of the countries they are participating, and they will definitely benefit from this. Even we will benefit from this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, and from our channel also, we will thank His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed and Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid also, he's number one in the world.
Yes.
I will thank you
Yes.
also.
Yeah,
Mr.
I thank.
Yes.
Also, yeah.
Yeah, we will thank you from our channel. If you want to thank anyone, the camera front of you and the mic with you.
Yeah, I thank everyone. I thank Economic Department and Chamber of Commerce. They are very helpful,
Of course.
and for their policies and their rules, and we are
Yes.
very happy about that.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's amazing. It's heaven. Really, it's heaven.
Yes.
It's heaven. So from our channel, ABC Arabia TV, will thank the government and the economic of Dubai. We will thank you, Mr. Ramesh, to accept us here in your special company. Inshallah, always will see you on the top and in a high level. Before we end our program, just want to take from your side about the viewers where we are now in Dubai, your location, I mean.
Our location is Bar Dubai, near Dubai Museum.
Yes.
It's called Souk Al Kabir.
Yes,
Yes.
in the main road.
On the main road,
Yes.
just near Dubai Museum.
Yes,
It's a
it's
very landmark is
Yes.
Dubai Museum. Yes.
Very good. So, my dear viewers, the contact number down of our screen with the exact location and the emails of Indian Royal Traders. I will thank you again, Mr. Ramesh, for your time as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. My pleasure.
مشاهدينا الكرام، إلى هنا نختم حلقتنا لهذا الأسبوع. تابعونا كل Friday and Saturday on ABC Arabia TV and social media. دمتم بخير وفي أمان الله.